Hey guys, today we are looking at the Honor Band 5 retail unit. This is bought from the Flipkart, so this is what you get as a customer when you buy it. So in this video I'll also show you a quick look side by side with other bands along with my observations, first impressions and some important specs. So guys, please hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Let's begin the video. So this is the box, like I said, from Flipkart, and let me just quickly open this up and let's get rid of the unboxing contents first. So in the box you're getting the band and the charger along with some paperwork. That's pretty much it. And if you look at the Honor Band 5, it is actually pretty much the same in terms of looks, and you're also getting the similar type of charger. Looking at the specs, although the official spec page is not available on the website, I've gathered it from other sources, and as you can see, it is still having that Bluetooth 4.2, which I am still a bit skeptical and slightly disappointed. And also there is no blood oxygen measurement option available on the band, at least as of now. On the Flipkart page, as you can see, it is showing as Bluetooth 4.2, and there is also another sensor, maybe that is infrared wear that they are calling it, as you can see, which should help in the health tracking, but we'll have to find out more about that. Also, there is no mention of blood oxygen feature over here, so I'm not sure if they are going to add it or not. And also a couple of days ago I saw that it was showing GPS and GLONASS in sensors, but maybe it was a mistake and Flipkart again corrected the mistake, but we still have to wait for the official specs page to be more clear. So for the first time you need to power it up with some USB power source, and that's how it gets on. And after that you can go for the pairing and use the Huawei Health app to do that. And also you need to update this, only then it will actually show the Honor Band 4.5 option, and once that is done it is pretty easy, as you can see. So this is how it looked the first time when I opened the UI, and actually it was the same as before, but there were a couple of updates and this was huge. As you can see, 7 point change some MB, which is actually quite a huge upgrade for a small band like this, and it took almost half an hour to complete this. After updating, there are more watch faces to be found, and also the UI has changed. As you can see, there is that glow sort of look to these icons and it looks pretty cool. But guys, these are mostly superficial changes, but if you go into the workout you can actually see a couple of new ones, the elliptical and also the power one. I am not sure if it is there in the Honor Band 4. And also in the more settings you will also find the screen on option and also the battery option to check out the battery percentage. So these are some of the things that I have found new in the Honor Band 5. So these are all the watch faces that you can see, and I will also show you some of them that I like in a bit. So I like this watch face a lot, but there is not much data to be seen. And this one is my favorite because both it looks cool and also it shows a lot of data. And this one looks very colorful but cartoony. And this one looks a little elegant, and this one looks a little bit more colorful. Also, I noticed occasional stutter or lag in the UI in the Honor Band 5. If you can notice, watch it closely, and here you will find that it lags sometimes, but I don't think it is a big deal because it might be fixed in the future updates. So this is against the Mi Band 4. So as you can see, both of them are close competitors, and I'll also try and make a comparison. So guys, please drop a like and also comment down below. And this is also the Honor Band 4 and Honor Band 5. Can you guess which one is which, guys? Well, the left one is the Honor Band 5 and the right one is the Honor Band 4. Even I was able to charge the Honor Band 5 with the Honor Band 4 charger, so it is safe to say that the design is pretty much the same. So as per my first impressions, I get a vibe that it is not a huge upgrade from the Honor Band 4. So if you already have a Honor Band 4, I don't think it's a worthy upgrade, but my opinion could change. I'll definitely use both of them and then let you know, guys. And comparing the Mi Band 4 versus the Honor Band 5 would be very interesting. So stay tuned to the channel, and also please like this video, also subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon.